Go Duo. Go Duo is the ultimate portable Bluetooth speaker. It comes with a carrying case that is water resistant and super durable. The magnetic base connects the two speakers together. The Go Duo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. When you separate the speakers, you have the ability to attach them to any magnetic surface. When unlinked, each half can function as a separate speaker. When the two speakers are linked, they will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Go Duo speakers can connect to your phone from up to 50 feet away. The Go Duo speakers has a built-in microphone for hand-free phone calls, and is one of the few speakers that works with Siri. Go Duo can play music or make phone calls for up to 18 hours without needing to be recharged. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock lets you control your door with your voice, using the three voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and the Google Assistant. Or you can use your phone or watch to unlock your door from anywhere. You can enable auto lock to lock when the door closes. You can send secure keys to friends, family or people you trust instantly to get into your house. Biometric verification can be used on your phone, as a security verification, before operating your lock remotely. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock can detect when you arrive and unlocks the door. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock easily attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Ovis Auto Follow Suitcase. This suitcase employs a series of complex algorithms, as well as an obstacle avoidance system based on self-driving technology. This allows the luggage to not only see as we do, but also accurately sense the environment. Ovis Auto Follow Suitcase is made from a lightweight, unbreakable Macrolon polycarbonate shell and is waterproof. Pilot Era, the first true all-in-one 8K 360 VR camera. As an all-in-one standalone device, you can use the camera by itself without the need for a computer or mobile phone. The 3.1 touch screen creates a friendly user experience. 8K in-camera stitching saves you hours of post-processing work and headaches. Standalone 4K live streaming eliminates the need for complex servers and settings with a single click. Razor-sharp 8K 360 photos and videos, transport your audience into your world. Pilot Era is small but powerful. We've managed to fit a powerful processor, a battery that lasts 3.5 hours and 512 gigs of internal storage, into a camera smaller than a can of beer. Engineered with microsecond level frame synchronization, real-time multi-lens color balance and HDR photo capture. The camera creates incomparable image quality at its price level. Optimized for the Google Trusted Photographer, with ultra-precise GPS, users can upload to Google Street View directly from the camera. We are constantly evolving the performance of the camera and updating new features, so the camera can meet the needs of more industries as a professional tool. Join us as we help evolve the future of VR content creation. The Best Stair Climber Dolly. D-Best Stair Climber Dolly. Holds 75 pounds on stairs. Heavy-duty strap for easy carrying. Holds 150 pounds on even surfaces. Quick and easy setup and fold.